What is up, you guys? Soren here, and I am pumped for today because today is the Miramar Airshow, and I am super excited for it. Like today, we're gonna be seeing the Patriots jet team. We're gonna be seeing the Blue Angels. I've never seen the Blue Angels in person, and it's really cool. It's gonna be really fun. There's Tim. Yep. Yeah, he criticized me for vlogging. Anyway, we're just filling up with gas right now. I'm gonna go to the Chevron. He's here at the Arco. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. It's probably gonna be hot, but yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully we capture some good footage of some aircraft. So yeah, awesome. Damn it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. All right, onward to Miramar.
No, you.
Ugh. Woo! Miramar Airshow, let's go. Whoa. The gear is insane in here. This is so cool. That's our base, you guys. And our C-17 is at Miramar on display.
Miramar Airshow.
Miramar.
Miramar
Woo! Nice.
Smells like exhaust.
You know what? I'm not even gonna answer that. Do not position feet or stow equipment under seat.
It's pretty hot here.
And Tim does exactly the opposite. Good job.
Yeah, they got this. Definitely not breaking all the rules. I don't think you need AC.
Such a rebel. Oh, dude, you could sleep in these things.
No, I thought you could extend it. Nap time, shall we?
Dude, nap time in the death trap? I'd do it. I want to die.
Sleep before you die. Like, dude.
Die well rested.
Die while sleeping. Yeah, time progresses. What is this red box? That is the battery. That's the battery.
That's the battery.
Yep. Okay.
Oh.
So that is the battery, and then it just all kinds of wires here. So you got fuel, and you got hydraulic lines and electronics. So that way, what this is, the reason why it looks kind of funny right here is this is where it rotates to fold so that we can put it onto a ship.
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why as it starts to fold and the wing swings forward like that, you'll just see all these things kind of just start to kind of twist a little bit.
Oh, is that why you have like this little
That's why
like
there's
ring
this little
thing?
ring here. That's right.
Oh, nice. Don't hit your head, Tim. I know you're kind of tall.
I know. I'm trying not to right now. I found a little spot I can like stand on this.
Where you don't hit your head?
Yeah. Right here.
Oh, dude, MV-22 cockpit. In the cockpit of an Osprey. Remove before flight. Nice.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, why don't I put on my sunglasses?
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow.
Oh my gosh. He is throwing smoke, guys. There he goes. Go.
4, 3, 2, 1. It is.
And they're off.
Miramar. Rob, call out the speeds as you see it. All right, from now 200, 225, 250, 275. There's 300. Look at that. 325. Oh my 300 miles an hour.
Told you.
Wow. That was bad.
Do you mind if I record your opinion on this next question that I asked you?
That's the way.
So Comparing the F-35 to the F-18s, which one would you say is more nimble and agile than the other?
I really can't answer that because they're both great, and I'm biased towards both of them, honestly.
Oh, okay.
I like both of them, so I really can't answer that.
Okay.
What's your favorite model of the F-35? Favorite model, I have to say, would be the C version, the carrier version. It's about 4 feet longer on each wingtip. It's about 4 or 5 feet longer length. Okay.
Okay.
It just, yeah, to me, it looks a little better. Personal opinion. Once the B version, which this one is, flies though, and it turns on its side, you see it. You really can't tell a difference, and it still looks beautiful as it is. It really is a beautiful piece of machinery.
Oh yeah, it reminds me a lot of how the F-22 is designed.
It is. They copy the same types of design as the Stealth.
Yeah.
But the F-22 is designed a little differently for dogfighting. The maneuverability, it's probably the most maneuverable aircraft that exists in the U.S. military. But it is solely designed for dogfighting. It can do air to ground, but it mainly was designed for one purpose. This is designed for stealth fighting. It's a multi-role fighter, so it's able to do everything, but it's also designed to be able to be stealth capable.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your opinion on the SR-71?
It's a very good aircraft, and it is out of commission as of 1993.
Yes.
1995.
Which kind of sucks. And it's like my favorite aircraft.
Yeah, I'd have to say it probably is mine too. It looks coolest.
Oh yeah.
He's coming back. He's coming back. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's coming back. He's hauling. Clocking 400 on the Richter scale. Mag Def demo is currently underway. Whoa, there he goes! Flaps down. Flaps down. Who has just been cleared? Someone's been cleared for takeoff. These are cleared. Here they go. Woo! There they go, you guys. And they're off.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 1st Marine Expeditionary Force, 1st Marine Division, and 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing take great pleasure in presenting to you the 2017 MACTAF demonstration. So please, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Here they come. here come more people.
Now the AH-1 Zulu Viper attack helicopters will suppress the enemy with a rocket attack, allowing the UH-1 Yankees Venom to insert the first reconnaissance team.
QE1, continue. Healthy Devil. Over flight in 250.
Line to follow. Lines 1 through 3, Bravo 8. Elevation, 480 feet. Enemy mechanized unit, 8-digit grid. Mike Sierra, 8762-3708. Negative mark. Friendlies, north, 400 meters. Right pole, Bravo 8. Final attack heading, 233 to 248. In order, go with readback.
Carrier 01, reach back line 480 feet, line 6, Mike Sierra, 8762-3708. Final attack heading 233 to 248.
Carrier 01, good readback.
101, reach back, elevation 480 feet, 8-digit grid, Mike Sierra, 8762-3708. Final attack heading 233 to 248.
Hornet 01, good readback. Carrier 1, Hornet 1, immediate push.
The recon Marines quickly locate the exact position of the enemy fighters, and that was a close air support strike 9 line that you just heard. Be prepared. From your left, you'll see the Harriers and the Hornets executing that attack. And here comes the boom! Strike is complete. The Cobras will escort the Huge back into the objective area, suppressing the enemy with their 20mm cannons. Company. From on your left, you will see the 2 AH-1 Zulu Cobras escorting in 3 MV-22 tilt-rotor aircraft. Suddenly, more enemy appear from behind the Marines, but from your far right, the Marine mechanized units come to the rescue. You are witnessing the speed and firepower of the M1A1 Abrams main battle tanks, the LAV-25 light armored vehicle, and several high mobility multi-purpose wheeled vehicles or Humvees.
Abrams and LAVs.
That was insane.
That's what we call battlefield sanitation. Isaiah Hill, Corporal Isaiah Warren, Corporal Nicholas Matthews, Lance Corporal Stephen Collins, Lance Corporal Asher David Hill, Lance Corporal Daniel, Lance Corporal Jonathan Hutchinson, Lance Corporal Frank Bridger, Lance Corporal Fred Mulderwood, Lance Corporal Colton Adams, Lance Corporal Dylan Kim, Lance Corporal Captain Matthew Barrister, Captain John MacArthur, Captain Michael Hines, Sergeant Jacob Beadle, Corporal Chase Agistatellus, Corporal Matthew Straight,